Let's start with the Pi network and the intriguing concept of the global consensus value, or GCV, set at $314,159 per Pi token. This isn't just a number, it's a symbol of a decentralized economic vision inspired by the mathematical constant Pi. Pi Network aims to make cryptocurrency accessible through community-driven efforts, and this GCV represents a shared value that ties into that vision. Now, what exactly is this global consensus value? Essentially, it reflects a valuation driven by the community itself, emphasizing trust and a collective vision rather than pure speculation. The focus here is on practical utility, building something meaningful together, not just chasing market hype. This community-driven approach is what sets the GCV apart. The figure $314,159 is striking because it mirrors the digits of Pi, linking math with value in a unique way. This connection isn't just symbolic, it represents structural soundness and innovation within the Pi network. What this tells us is that the network's economic framework is inspired by mathematical principles, aiming for stability and forward-thinking growth. Community empowerment plays a crucial role here. Holding Pi tokens helps stabilize the GCV by securing the network's value. At the same time, developing decentralized apps and supporting Pi marketplaces are key to growing the ecosystem. Encouraging real-world usage of Pi strengthens adoption, making the community's active participation vital for the network's success. Of course, there are challenges to consider. The economic feasibility of maintaining this $314,159 GCV is questioned due to current market dynamics and demand. Liquidity constraints limit real-world trading and price realization, while adoption barriers in the absence of official endorsements pose hurdles. These realities remind us that while the vision is ambitious, practical obstacles remain. To wrap up, the GCV embodies a commitment to a decentralized financial future grounded in vision and trust. Active participation from the community enhances stability and confidence in Pi as a currency. The long-term potential to reach the $314,159 value per coin depends on this collective belief and continued engagement. This journey reflects more than numbers. It's about building a new financial paradigm together,